Namaskar dosto. Today is 14th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video I talk specifically about Nifty. In this is a weekly wrap video. So here I will disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the coming week and specifically for Monday. Review the Nifty's performance in the last week, share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Nifty, let's look into S&P 500. So when we look into S&P 500 on weekly basis, what we see is that S&P 500 after touching the all-time high of 4236 started correcting and almost touch on daily basis the 50 bar moving average. It took a support on 15 bar moving average and now it is moving up. This is mainly, I think, because of US 10-year uh, government bond yield, which has moved in last week from 1.48 to 1.7, and now it is going down from last two trading sessions. So this is a very good sign for the global equity market. Now, when we look into dollar index, we see that dollar index on daily basis has started going down, which is also a very good sign for a emerging market like India and specifically Bank Nifty. So globally, the trends are definitely looking quite positive. In US has achieved almost one third of its vaccination, and now they are even thinking about vaccinating their kids. So although in India the corona situation is looking to be getting better, but globally the situation is definitely looking quite positive. So we see that it is having some impact on our market, and our market are now consolidating in very narrow range. So now in this week market has almost touched 14,500, and then it couldn't sustain those level and started correcting but took a support close to the monthly pivot which is at 14605, and it has started going up. But now on weekly basis when we see, Lalaji has closed above 8 and above 20. So weekly basis market is definitely in bullish nature. It is above 50 and above 200, but on weekly basis also when we look into 50, we see that the 50 bar moving average is at 12,800. So definitely market is needs to either consolidate or correct for this 50 and 20 to move up. So I'll be not surprised to see this consolidation for a many few weeks to come, which is one way very healthy for a long term bull market for India. Now when we look into daily chart, on daily chart what we see is that now market has a very strong resistance at 14,900, which is a weekly H4, monthly H3. Also now market will have a very strong support at 14,575, which is a weekly L3 and my magical lines black and blue. I believe in using a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel. So now in this week, I expect market to be having a very narrow consolidation. So this is gonna get very difficult to uh, trade, or we can see that market has a breakout on 14,900 and maybe a big rally on upside is also possible. So let's see how the things are progressing, whether we're going to see another week of consolidation or a breakout. But on daily basis when we look, we see that market has closed below 50, below 8, but above 20 and above 200. So I'll give a importance to 20 and 200. So on daily basis we can say that market is not giving a clear indication, so somewhere consolidating, but about 20, so definitely kind of uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart, we see that market is below 200, below 50, but above 8 and above 20. So here it is very clear that market is in uptrend. Now today what has happened is, today being a Friday, we had a very day, one can say, but it touched the bottom which is at 14,600, formed a doji and started moving up. And now the SGX is at around 14,794. So there is something which we need to check on. But before we go into that, let's look into the market profile. So when we look into weekly market profile, the weekly market profile is currently looking slightly bullish. So when we look here, the pivot has moved up from 14,701 to 14,746. The BC, which is higher now, so 14,780 is higher than 14,762. So TC has moved up, but BC has also moved up, which is 14,712, 14,640. But 14,712 is not above 14,762, so it's slightly bullish. So on weekly, the market has turned slightly bullish. On a daily basis, the pivot is still market profile is still below the today's market CPR. So here the trend is bearish. But on Monday, when we look into SGX, the SGX is currently at 14,800, which is above CPR and above the price range. So market will open somewhere here, which is also above weekly H3. So when market opens above CPR, even though the profile is less, profile is bearish. This is the clear cut buy on dip signal. So for Monday, my trade plan is buy on dip. So for Monday, the buy level, we need to see a strong reversal somewhere closer to R1, which is at 14,750, which is culmination of previous day high R1 as well as the coming week pivot. If market breaks this, then the next dip is at 14 pivot, which is at 14,677, which will be a very strong support because of pivot. My closing of the last week and also culmination of 8 bar, 20 bar, and maybe 50 bar moving average. So 14,670 becomes a very strong support for a market. So one lot here, second lot here, and maybe the stop loss just below 20 bar moving average, or you can say, yeah, just below 20 bar moving average. And let's see how far then market goes. So that's my trade plan for the next week. I'm gonna go for a two lot buy, one on this, second on this. If market opens somewhere around 800 or up somewhere here, the another trading opportunity to take a short trade, because this move from 800 to pivot is again gonna be 100 point down, and so one can short here for a target of pivot. So these are the two opportunities for a Monday. Uh, let's see which trade I take. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So market is definitely reversed. That's what I can say. Now let's see what happened today. So for today, my trade plan was to sell on rice, um, and with the thought that it's being Friday with the Eid, market will have not very high movement. So somewhere I was very clear that I will not trade today, and with that mindset only I entered the trade. And surprisingly, what market did was market opened above CPR, but below its value, means it didn't open above VAL. So this give me a confirmation that market is not very giving very clear signal. So I decided not to take any trade today. One could have shorted on this at the open and taken profit here, but that is difficult. And a good trade would have been to enter a C position here and carried home with the thought I knew that market is reverse. But anyways, holiday move. So what's the learning? Learning is stay focused, stay disciplined. Now for the coming the entire May month. So let me just take you to my profile. So today no trade, and May month on Nifty I had a mixed bag of working days, but May month is a month of proving my setup and improving on ideas. So I'm sticking with my discipline of only two lot, and as of now I am 700 rupees down. But so far so good. Idea here is not to make money right now. Idea here is to get full focus on Nifty and get my trade execution and trade setup tested. So I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. If you're still with me, stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.